connect the side of DC output cables with a label of DC output to the DC output port of NOAH2000 and secure them with cable locker. Following the instruction, connect the side of all 4 PV input extension cables with a label of PV input to the PV input port of NOAH2000. And secure them with cable locker. Now, all the wires on the NOAH2000 have been connected. You can move the NOAH2000 to a suitable position and stand against the wall. The next step is to connect the system. Connect the NOAH2000 to the microinverter. Then connect the microinverter to the household socket. The next step is to connect the solar modules to the NOAH2000. Now, the installation work has finished. If necessary, you can also stack multiple NOAH2000 to achieve capacity expansion. NOAH2000 supports stacked installation with a recommended maximum of 4 units. Fixed bracket can be used to enhance stability. Install the fixed bracket onto the NOAH2000. After positioning the NOAH2000, use a marker to make marks on the wall. Drill holes at the marked spots and insert expansion plugs. Secure the NOAH2000 to the wall. The stacking should appear as shown in the illustration. Note: microinverter can only be connected to the top NOAH2000. One system can only connect to one microinverter at most. You can connect 4 solar panels by purchasing the Y branch solar parallel cables separately.